So, you tried mining Bitcoin on your MacBook Air anyway, despite the warnings. Don't say we didn't tell you. Troubleshooting error messages and battling overheating are just the beginning of your woes. And let's not forget the hidden cost electricity. Your MacBook Air wasn't built for sustained high-performance tasks. Running it at full throttle for mining will dramatically increase your energy bill and potentially shorten your laptop's lifespan. Overheating is a major concern. The MacBook Air's cooling system is designed for everyday use, not intensive mining. Prolonged heat exposure can damage internal components and significantly reduce your laptop's performance over time. Compounding your troubles, the volatile cryptocurrency market can quickly erase any potential profits. The value of Bitcoin can plummet, making your already meager earnings even less significant. Instead of struggling with inefficient mining, consider alternative ways to engage with cryptocurrency. Trading, staking, or investing offer more practical and potentially profitable avenues without sacrificing your laptop's health. Ultimately, your MacBook Air is a versatile tool for productivity and entertainment. Let it excel at its intended purposes, and leave the Bitcoin mining to specialized hardware. Your laptop and your wallet will thank you.